Hey guys, my name is Trina. Today's video is a review on L'Oreal Revitalift Vitamin C Serum. If this is your first time here and you want to learn more about skincare, please don't forget to subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss any beauty video. This is the serum. I have my phone. I'm gonna read you guys the claims about this vitamin C serum. It claims it is made for all skin types and it has 12% pure vitamin C, which is supposed to help brighten the skin, and it has vitamin E oil also in it, which is supposed to help even the skin tone and refine pores and reveal younger looking skin. It is free of parabens, it is dye-free, mineral oil free, and is non-greasy and is dermatologist tested. It retails for $26 and it's available at Target and Ulta Beauty. This is the vitamin C serum. And it comes with a dropper, so I'm going to squeeze some out right now. And I'm going to show you how it looks like. You can see it's orange because vitamin C. And I put this much vitamin C. It says 1 to 2 drops. But this is like 3 drops right here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to apply now. Smells very citrusy. It has a citrus scent to it, which I love the smell of oranges. And when I was reading the directions, it says use it morning and night. But I personally like this for the morning time as into my morning skincare routine, because it definitely helps like brighten the skin during the morning times. Okay, so I'm showing you guys the vitamin C serum on bare skin with nothing on. So this is how it looks on bare skin. I just removed the serum off my bare skin. Now it's time to apply 2-3 drops of this inside my moisturizer. And guys, I'm still using this Kate Somerville Retinol Vitamin C moisturizer. I absolutely love it. So I'm just gonna like squeeze some, see, like that, and just scoop it up, and I'm just gonna put it on my hand right here. And I got the dropper, so I'm just gonna do like about 2 drops. 1, 2, and then I'm gonna mix it all around. Mix it, and then let's apply. So my honest opinions about this L'Oreal Revitalift Vitamin C Serum. The first thing I like about it is the scent. I love the citrus scent to it. It smells so good. Love it, love it, love it. 2-3 drops goes a long way. But those of you that have sensitive skin, I do recommend to use it with your moisturizer so your skin don't break out if you are planning to wear it alone, because it gives you the option to wear it alone or wear it a moisturizer. So third thing I like about it is that it did brighten my skin. My skin feels very bright, and you can see, look at this. Look how brightening it is. Look how bright, and like my skin looks super dewy. And once again, it has vitamin C in here and it has vitamin E. So for first impression, I just really like this vitamin C serum. So hopefully it helps with my dark spots, because it claims it has vitamin E in it, which helps uneven skin tones. And you can see here I have a dark spot right here, and you see my skin tones right here, and then there's a different color right here. So hopefully it'll help my skin and whatnot. I don't know, because this is a first impression, so I definitely have to continue using this, and I will continue using this because I want this thing to go away. Need to match my skin tone. Dark spot here, and this no has to go away. So I can't wait. This is amazing product for first impression. I love the scent. Once again, the scent is amazing. 2 or 3 drops go a long way, and yes, I do recommend for you to use this in a moisturizer. Like I said before, just use it in a moisturizer and you'll see how good it'll look on your skin. I'm gonna keep using this for like a month or 2 to see how it's gonna how my skin is gonna look, and I can't wait for this to be gone, this dark spot. I just really like it. The scent is amazing. It smells amazing, and it definitely brightened up my skin. You can see my skin is bright and it's very dewy. I just really like it. So remember, it retails for $26 and it's available at Target and Ulta Beauty. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this review. If you like this review, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe right here or right here, and I'll see you in my next video.